Hello everyone, this is Mark. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up fiber laser welder. In front of us, there's the setup process, and we'll finish the connection of the fiber laser, the fiber welder, and by connection the air source and the set up the wind feeder and power connection, also add coolant to the chiller and start the fiber welder. This is the gas valve, and this is the input hole with diameter 6 mm. I will input air hose. Yes, check it. It's tight enough. The other side, the gas hose I connect to the tank with this valve. Adjust the gas pressure between 0.8 to 1 ampere. Now it's the 0.8 ampere. From the machine side, the gas valve, I adjust the pressure between the 0.2 to 0.4, like this. Now it's 0.3. It's good enough. Then I will install the wind feeder. This is the wind tube, and this is a wind nozzle, and this one is the wind guide. I will use the tool, the both wrench, for this setup. This is the internal structure of wind feeder. In the menu, we can see we have the rear shaft, the rear and nozzle, feeder rear, and wind pressing rear, and adjustment button. So for different winds, we need to change the feeding wheel and the pressing wheel to the correct size. The default is the 1.0 diameter ones for both wheel. If you have the 1.2 ones, we need to change the wheel, the both wheel. And this the pressure adjustment button. After we set up the wines, we use this button to adjust the pressure. One more tips, the nozzle should inside the module, not coming out too much. Like this, the nozzle is coming out too much. That's impact the movement of the wheel. So we need this nozzle going back a bit. Like this, and fasten the screws. The wheel, we need to take care of the direction. The one wheel rotate clockwise, and the one should go out from this side, and the ones need to be straight. So I cut the one from the side. And insert to this wheel guide into the one should go into the groove of the wheels. Yes, the one just inside the groove of the wheel on both pressing and feeding wheel. Okay, lock both adjustment button, and then we adjust the pressure to 2. Behind the one feeder, we got 2 sockets. The above one 2-pin socket is the power supply, and the bottom one is the control. Okay, to check the connection was firmly. This fiber welder comes three ones, 220 was ones, the brown one for the hot one, and this the neutral one, and yellow green is the ground one. We need connected to the power cabinet with 220 volt power. This is the chiller of fiber welder, and this filling tank, the input hole. It's a 16-liter capacity. We suggest to fill 14 to 16 liters, and it accepts the purified water, distilled water, or the coolant of the car use if the temperature is too low. After the coolant added to the water chiller, I will launch the fiber welder. Switch on the chiller. If the switch was not turned on, we need to turn on this button as well. The default temperature setting is 25 degrees. Also, I will switch on the fiber. Now the fiber was not turned on. Is all the LED was off. While turn it on, the power LED is on.